class. Today we will discuss about production of concrete. How to manufacture the concrete mass. So in this topic we will discuss about the different type of the stages of the manufacture of the good quality concrete. Like first one is the batching of the concrete mass. So we will discuss in this stage how we can batching of the different ingredients of the concrete mass. Second one is a mixing of the concrete. We have a different type of the mixing process for the concrete. Third one is a transporting. It means we have a different methods for the transporting of the concrete mass. Fourth, placing of the concrete. So we have to take some precautions regarding placing of the concrete mass. Compacting, we have a different type of the methods regarding compaction of the concrete. Fifth one is a finishing, and last one is a curing of the concrete mass. So we have a thing of materials or measurement of materials. In this test you have to measure all the ingredients of the concrete mass like cement, fine aggregates, coarse aggregates, water. So let us start from the measurement of aggregates, means batching of aggregates. So there are the two types of the methods for batching of aggregates. First one is volume batching and second one is weight batching. Let us start from the volume batching. Volume batching is not a good method for the proposing the materials for particular design of the concrete mass, and this is normally adopted for the unimportant concrete or for the small job. You cannot use this kind of the batching in the important structure, and even though the measure by the weight is preferable whenever the possible. The gauges you can see in the photos, we are also called formas at site. The gauges are used for the measuring the fine and the coarse aggregates, and the volume of the box it should be equal to the volume of the cement mass. It means 35 liters. We have a different type of the box, gauge box available in our market, but we have to take the one big volume for the batching of the aggregate. You can see in the table we have a different type of the forma in our market. Like first one is a 33.3 centimeter length, width is 30 centimeter and depth is 20 centimeter. It means this forma will give you 20 liter, and this type of the gauge box can be made by the timber or steel plates, but in the market generally the steel plates of the gauge box are available. And if you are facing the problem regarding bulking, so you have to calculate this factor also. And second one, 33 centimeter length, 30 centimeter width and depth is 25. It means this forma will give you 25 liter, but we have to take this forma which dimension is length is 33 centimeter, width is 30 centimeter, depth is 35 centimeter. So this forma will give you 35 liter of the volume. Clear? So you have to consider this one for the batching of the aggregates. Next, calculation of volume batching. Why? Before the calculating the volume batching, remember a important note that you don't need to compact while filling the aggregates in this forma. Clear? Just you have to fill the aggregate without any compaction or without any pressure. Next, batch volume. For the sum of the commonly used mixed shown in the table, I have taken three different type of the mix. First one is M10. M10 means, I repeat this grade. What is M10? M10 means 10, you will get the compressive strength of concrete minimum 10 Newton per mm square at the end of 28 days. What is M15? You will get the compressive strength, minimum compressive strength at the end of 15 Newton per mm square. And M20, you will get minimum 20 Newton per mm square at the end of 28 days for particular compressive strength. So these are the grade of the concrete mass, and you can take mixed proportion for the particular grade. Clear? 1 gem, 3 gem, 6 mixed proportion is used for the M10 grade concrete. 1 gem, 2 gem, 4 we will use for the M15 grade. 1 gem, 1.5 gem, 3. This will be used for the M20 grade of the concrete mass. Clear? So these are the three type of the mixed proportion I have taken for the example for the calculating of the volume batching, calculating of the aggregates compared with cement mass. So if I am taking M15 grade, you can see in the table, if I am taking the M15 grade, it means 1 gem, 2 gem, 4. Remember that first proportion shows cement mass 1 gem, 2 gem, 4. What is 2? 2 shows that the fine aggregate. What is 4? 4 shows that coarse aggregate. It means one part is used for the mix of cement, 2 part of the fine aggregate is used for the concrete, and 4 part of the coarse aggregate is used in this mix. It means one volume for the cement, 2 part for the coarse, for the fine aggregate, and 4 part for the coarse aggregate. I repeat again, 1 gem, 2 gem, 4. 1 for cement, 2 gem for the fine aggregate, 4 gem for the coarse aggregate. It means you are using a 1 bag of the cement mass. It means you are using 50 kg of cement mass. It means 35 liter you are using, 35 liter you are using in this proportion. So what will be quantity of sand and coarse aggregate? You can easily calculate it by 1 for the cement. It means 35 liter. In this table shows the cement is shown in the 1 bag 50 kg. It means 35 liter. So we have to take the 35 liter. Clear? Because we are calculating the volume batching. It means 35 liter. And what about fine aggregate? It means 35 into 2. So we are getting the 70 liter for the sand. What about coarse aggregate? 1 gem, 2 gem, 4 means 35 into 2. We are getting the 70 liter. 35 into 4. It means we are getting 140 liter for the coarse aggregate. Clear? So you can easily calculate it by this mix proportion. 1 gem, 2 gem, 4. 1 35 for cement. 2 it means 35 into 2, it means 70 liter, and 4 it means 35 into 4, it means 140 liter for the coarse aggregate. And if you are facing the problem regarding bulking of the aggregates for fine aggregates, so you have to add this volume in your calculation. For example, 20 percentage of the bulking, so we have to add in this coarse aggregate 70 plus 20 percentage of the 70, it means 70 plus 14, you are getting 84 liters. So this is the simple calculation of the volume batching. Weight batching. Weight batching, this is the preferable to the volume batching, as it is the more accurate and leads to more uniform proportioning and the quality of the concrete. So we can use this method by different methods like manual weight batching, semi-automatic weight batching and fully automatic weight batching. What is the manual weight batching? In this method, the recharging of the material or filling of the material and the mixing of the material, all the procedures are done manually. And in the semi-automatic weight batching procedure, the filling of the material in the production area is done manually, but door is closed automatically. And in the automatic weight batching, all the procedures are done automatically. So this is the weight batching. This is the more accurate compared to the volume batching. If we talk about the batching of cement, this is the generally batched by the weight, because the in our market we know that 50 kg of the bag available. Batching of the water. Water is the measured in the liter, but we can also consider in the kilogram, and the quantity of the water is dependent on the water cement ratio. If you, for example, I am taking a 0.5 water cement ratio for the particular concrete pass, and I have taken the 50 kg of the cement mass, it means water cement ratio is 0.5 and calculated by this equation water cement ratio. For example, I have taken 0.5 and we have cement content 50 kg, it means water will be 0.5 into 50, it means 25 kg or 25 liter. So batching of the water. Conversion of volume to weight. In ordinary concrete, the proportions are mentioned by the volume, and the volumes are converted into the weights using a relation. You have to calculate the density of the all the ingredients of the concrete mass. Let us take a density of the fine aggregate is 1.5 kg per liter. Bulk density of the coarse aggregate 1.6 kg per liter, and the bulk density of cement is 1.42 kg per liter. So, and for example, I am taking the 1 gem, 1.5 gem, 3 mix proportion for understanding how we can convert this batching volume to the weight. Table shows the first row for the volume and second row for the weight, quantity by the volume and quantity by the weight. And if we talk about the volume of the one bag of the cement, we know that 35 liter. So 1 gem, 1.5 gem, 3, it means 1 gem, 1.5 gem and 3, it means 35 into 1.5, we are getting 52.5, 35 into 3, it means 105 liter. Clear? So we have a 35 liter of the cement, 52.5 liter of the fine aggregate and 105 liter for the coarse aggregate. And now we have to convert this volume into the weight with the help of this data, with the help of the bulk density of the ingredients. Simply you have to multiply the density by the volume of the aggregates, so you can get the weight of the aggregate. Simple, the 35 liter the volume and multiply 1.428, which is the density of the cement mass, and you are getting the 50 kg of the cement mass. You have a 52.5 liter of the volume, and now you have to multiply the 1.5 liter of the density of the fine aggregate, and you are getting the weight of the fine aggregate, which is the 78.75 kg. And repeat this process, 105 liter volume multiplied by 1.6, which is the density of the coarse aggregate, and you are getting the coarse aggregate 168 kg of the mass. Thank you.